The Ambience function allows you to change the background to your current graphic viewing. To access it, right-click anywhere within the graphic window. As shown here, go to Ambience in the pop-up menu, and here you have a selection of all different Ambience backgrounds to your model. If I go ahead and select pure white, notice that it's not exactly pure white, but it's a bit tingy of a gray or a light cool gray color. If I select again, go to Ambience and select white mirror, notice it's a little bit lighter. And if I select white review, notice we get a bit of a white spot towards the center of where our model is located. Let's go ahead and see what Studio is. Studio has a bit of a warm glow with kind of a cool background, as you can see here. If I rotate my part, you can notice that there's a bit of a warm spotlight shining on our part. If we take it down to dark mirror, you know this is drastically different and much more dramatic. This would be good for any types of model reviews or presentations. The dark review is a little darker than that, as you see here. The white design provides a bit of a grid as it fades out away from our model. The blue design is very similar to the last, except that you're basically viewing it with the blue color. Dark design, of course, we have a dark gray or almost black background as well. Now, when we move down to the next section, you'll notice that it says indoor, city, road, and outdoor. These are actual environments that are defaulted within CATIA 3D Experience. Notice here that we are in an environment. It's an actual image, and I can actually rotate around the entire environment. And notice also you will have a shadow with the light source coming from the right of the screen. You can see the shadow here in the back. And you can also see along this rounded curve edge, you can see the highlight of the light source hitting that. We have a city scene. If we notice, again, we have a shadow as well. We also have a road with our light source coming from the left side in this view, and our shadow casting to the right. And then finally we have outdoor, which is basically just an open area with a horizon and some sky and clouds. And of course we have a very stark shadow. Now these are all excellent for displaying types of different objects or models or any type of design you created that you would need a realistic environment view. And finally, lastly, we have the basic. And this is kind of where we started with. The basic is what you need to design. It's very much what you see, what you get, and brings your focus in on designing your part or assembly. And that is Ambience.